Good afternoon, fishaholics. So we are now already into one of the busiest holiday travels of the year, Memorial Day weekend. And today, right now, it's Friday. I just got home from work about an hour ago. It is actually a nice day out. It's not that windy and it's very warm, probably about close to 70. But I am not fishing right now at this time being. Let's just say we are going to be ordering dinner here in a little bit. And the sun's going to be setting here shortly. Even though a lot of people would be saying, well, why don't you go fish when the sun is setting, you know? That'd be a good time. Well, I have actually looked at the forecast for the weekend, and it sounds like it's not going to be quite as nice as today. It sounds like we are supposed to get some rain tomorrow. So the probability, it's not high. It's about 40%, so it's not that high. So we might see some rain maybe off and on. Maybe a little bit of thunder is not ruled out. Other than that, though, I'm going to go ahead and take a look through my tackle box bag here and see what would be really good for fishing for any soft plastics during a rainstorm. So this is a majority of the soft plastics that I got with me in my bag. Obviously, I got some different brands in here. You got like Zman, Guggen, Ragetail. Those are basically the dominant brands that I like to go with because they really do help me catch some really good bass during this time of the year and of course throughout most of the summer too. What I wanted to do for today's video, everybody, is that I really wanted to actually do something that I haven't done yet this year, was doing a kayak fishing challenge. And unfortunately with the weather this weekend, I'm not sure if that's going to happen. I might say that maybe later in the week, but only the weather forecast will tell. Let's go ahead and get this gear in the car and we'll head out in the morning. Alright, good morning. And yeah, it's kind of looking like a little raining a little off and on today. It's actually really dark out to the east there. I can see it's way out there, getting really dark. But it doesn't seem like out to the west it's going to be that bad, but you might see a little bit of wind. So let's go ahead and get at her. Yep, there's a fish. Come on, buddy. Can I boat flip ya? Nope, I guess not. First fish of the day. Ooh. Baby. It's funny, I was make a few casts out that way, and I'm not getting anything, and I decided to go ahead and take a cast right here in the current, and there was this little beauty hiding in there. I wasn't even sure if I was gonna get any bites, but it's awesome. It's probably about maybe a 14 incher. Alright, see you later, buddy. Glad that was my first one today. Like I said, I didn't think I was gonna catch any. Well, that's better than nothing. Yeah, and like I just said, this was on the Ragetail's Rage Bug. Right here, as you can see, it's California Craw. So I'm gonna go ahead and re-rig this beauty queen. Might get another one. Alright, there's... No. Oh, that's a little pike. Oh, okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thought that was a bass I had at first. Ooh, got one. Yes. I didn't even feel him bite. How did I not feel you bite, bud? Come here. How in the world did I not feel him tug on my Senko there? All right. So that's bass number 2 today. All right, everybody. We got bass number 2. Beautiful one. All right. See you later, bud. So we're gonna rig up some little swim baits to see if we can catch any of these little rock bass. These are the Guggen Baits Crappie Series edition right here. These only been out, I think, for like a couple years now, and these things work really good. Oh yeah, here they come. Here they come. They're eyeing up on it. Oh! Had a bite right there already. Cute little rock bass. Come on, don't be shy. Come on, guys. Well, we got a big one coming up on it. Decent one. Oh, come on. Come on, buddies. Ha 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 ha. Oh, got one. There we are. Ah, all right. First rock bass of 2024. Oh, and he's barely hooked. Barely get him unhooked. All right, there we go. So yeah, cute little tiny little rock bass. These guys may be small, but they do put up a good fight, just as you saw there. There's a pretty good amount in here. So let's go ahead and try and catch him some more. See you, little dude. Oh, oh, turds. Oh, here he comes. Got him. Ah. These guys are like really fun to catch. Oh, it looks like you got a wound on your side. Looks like something tried to get you. Good in there. All right. Oh yeah, something tried to swipe at him. Yeah, something tried to swipe at him. Probably maybe another bigger bass or maybe a pike. You be careful up there. There's another one. Not even 30 seconds later. Ooh, easy. Yeah, you gotta be careful with these kinds of species. They got some fight in them for how small they are. It's awesome. Look at that. Choked on it. Choked on the snacky swimmer. Good. Holy cow. Yeah. I don't know. I'm probably gonna catch a whole lot more of these here, probably within the next few minutes.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
Oh, there's another one. He's eyeing up on it. Eyeing up on it. There, actually got him. Oh, these guys are fun to catch. Ooh. Eee, you got some fighting left in ya. Ah. There's another. Oh, there's another one. Oh, it's a little baby largemouth. A little baby largie. May not be seeing a lot of big ones, but at least we won't get skunked. Got a lot of growing on ya. Oh, here he goes. He's eyeing up on it. He's eyeing up on my bait. Oh, you got one? Yeah. Nice. All right. Nice largie. I dare ya. Come on. Come on. Oh, yep. There we go. Got him. Oh. Oh, that was awesome though. Oh, so that's what he's up to. He's on a bed.
Production.
So I just got home here just a couple of hours ago. It is 7 o'clock and the sun is just starting to set here. Well, let's just say today was actually a pretty productive day here. The first half of the day was kind of soggy a little bit. At least it wasn't like downpouring or anything, just a light drizzle. But then the conditions just got a lot better out. And I was a little concerned, you know, about the weather and stuff. But thankfully, it wasn't as bad as we thought it was going to be. I think tomorrow it's going to be kind of similar to today. So that's actually not too bad, but I will not be doing any fishing tomorrow. So, oh, and by the way, you guys haven't seen it here on my videos at all. Right behind me, right here, this big wide open spot right in here, we are actually getting a garage built right here. That's right, we are finally getting a garage. I don't know if you guys have followed me on my main channel. If you guys haven't, the link is in the description. You guys go check out my main channel. I actually did what it was a vlog on it several months ago that we were planning on building a garage. We have just started construction here. We got the foundation, we got the dirt and gravel all laid out here, so we're not exactly sure when the construction people are going to come back here, but hopefully pretty soon here. I think this garage thing, it's going to be taking up most of the summer, I'm pretty sure here. But we are super excited about this because not only are we going to be able to put our vehicles inside, but probably some other of our equipment that's like overtaking the shed here. We can put some of it in the garage, including some of my other fishing gear, like my other fishing rods. So that'd be super cool. I was hoping to catch maybe a big bass today, but that's okay. At least I didn't get skunked. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up, everybody. If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to smash that like button. And if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. Oh, there's a little chipmunk right behind my car there. What the heck are you up to, little dude? Regardless, I'm going to go ahead and just end this video, everybody. I'll see you guys next time.